When you are not on your device and you don't have your Google file stream, in order to save a Word document to your Google Drive is a couple of steps. So if I type in hello, good morning, and I go to save that, if I'm on my computer, I would simply come down and go to Google Drive file stream because I have it loaded there. But if you're not on your device and you're on someone else's device, you have a couple of options. You can save it to their documents, and I'm just going to name it hello, good morning. So this will now be under documents on this particular PC. I click save. Now I have to go to Google and go into my drive. And again, this isn't a super easy way to do this, but this is right now the easiest. So I'm going to choose to upload a file. And I'm going to go over to my documents where I have hello, good morning. And I'm going to upload it. Now, if I now that I have that document and it's completed, if I wanted to move it into a specific place, I'll have to come down to my documents. Again, hopefully they're somewhat alphabetical order. I would go to the hello, good morning. And if I wanted to pick that up, I would simply just pick it up and drop it in the folder under my drive that I wanted it to go to. So again, not a super convenient way to do it, but that is how you do it. So if I wanted to drop it into desktop from 2020, I could just put it there, and now it's in that folder. And again, if I'm going to do that, I'm probably going to switch to list view because it'll just be faster.